أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ومن قوم موسى أمة يهدون بالحق وبه يعدلون.
Among the people of Moses is a community that guides by truth, and thereby does justice.
وقطعناهم 12 أسباطا أمما وأوحينا إلى موسى إذ استسقاه قومه أن اضرب بعصاك الحجر فانبجست منه 12 عينا قد علم كل أناس مشربهم وظللنا عليهم الغمام وأنزلنا عليهم المن والسلوى كلوا من طيبات ما رزقناكم وما ظلمونا ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون.
We divided them into 12 tribal communities. And we inspired Moses, when his people asked him for something to drink, strike the rock with your staff. Whereupon 12 springs gushed from it. Each group recognized its drinking place. And we shaded them with clouds, and we sent down upon them manna and quails. Eat of the good things we have provided for you. They did not wrong us, but they used to wrong their own selves.